Hey everybody! Are you wondering where your packing slip is when your box gets delivered? You looked in the box, you looked on the bottom, you looked under the packages, and it doesn't seem to be there. What happened to your packing slip? Well, if you want to know what happened to your packing slip, follow along and I will show you. Hi, it's Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House, and I'm here to show you what happened to your packing slip that's no longer in your boxes. Because I just received a couple of boxes today. New product. And I want to show you what to do when you get a box now. So I'm going to flip over my camera. And as you can see, there's a packing label on there. But there's this special little QR code here, and it does say scan me. So what you need to do is you need to take your phone, open up your camera, right? And you're going to hold it right on top of the QR code, and then you're going to press that link right there. And what it's going to do is going to open up. Oh, look what's there. Your packing slip. It's all right there. And also your free return label if anything happens. So now you don't have to worry about losing that piece of paper. It's in the packing list on your packing label, and you can save this to your phone somewhere so you'll always have it. Okay? So that's what happens to your packing slip. So I hope I was able to help you say, now I know where my packing slip is, and everything is in the box that it's supposed to be. So you have a fantastic day, and thank you. And remember that I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself, and have a fantastic day. Bye.